Breaking news. A soon a troll tsunami is going to killing people at the news. Do not stick shadow. This tsunami will attack who wants and who anyone will not save you and will die for it. Stick shadow like this just one or downstairs like a breaking man like this tsunami will give you like a breaking soon a breaking person to being like is that going to get will die for it. Stick shadow maybe like anyway, this is kind of anyway, just activate for the tsunami. This tsunami will actually take all this. Doing it. This is sick for me.